Hi everyone, it's Miss Morales. So I'm going to post this on Seesaw. It's a website called Cool Math for Kids. I don't know if you guys are familiar. This is going to be a great practice to keep working on our base 10 models. So I'm going to show how to use it, and then I will post a couple activities for you guys to go ahead and do it on your own. And when you're done, you could always post it to Seesaw and I could look it over with you. So first I'm going to do the number 40. Okay, so what you would do first is you can take a 10 block, drag it. So that's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need to get to 43, so then we have another block of 10, so that's 20. 30. And all I'm doing here is just dragging it and dropping it right wherever you would like. So now we can count. If this is 10, we know this is exactly 10, so that's 20. We can count. This is 30. Can count another 10, and that's 40. We need to get to 43, so I'm going to use my one block. I'm going to put them in red. So that's going to be 1. So here's 41, 42, and 43. This is a video to show you how to use the tool. When I post it on Seesaw, I will ask you guys to do different numbers and use your 10 blocks and your ones blocks. If you guys have any questions, you can email me or write in the comments and I will help you. I hope you guys have fun.